Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check whether your iPhone uses Lightning or USB-C and why that matters for OTG power and data. Once done, inspect the C-type OTG adapter. You need USB-C male to Lightning female or a certified Lightning adapter. This prevents handshake failures. Make sure iOS is updated because kernel and driver support fixes enable accessories. Plug only after verifying MFI certification. Otherwise, the phone may refuse the peripheral or draw unsafe current. You now connect the adapter. Firmly insert the USB-C end into your peripheral or hub until it seats. If the device draws more than the iPhone can supply, use a powered USB hub. This keeps voltage stable and prevents accidental shutdowns. Next, plug the Lightning to adapter into the iPhone and watch for the accessory prompt. Grant permission when iOS asks. Once permission is given, open the right app, Files for storage, Photos for cameras, so the phone enumerates the device properly. You finish by validating the connection. Transfer a small file or play audio for a few seconds to confirm stable data and power. If the accessory isn't detected, make sure to disconnect, toggle Bluetooth only if relevant, and reconnect. Next, reboot the iPhone to clear USB sessions. If problems persist, swap the adapter or use a known good powered hub to isolate whether the OTG cable or phone is at fault. This single troubleshooting step solves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.